Hi guys, it's Tuesday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, as usual, andito na ako sa workplace ko. And for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales as usual. And aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales and monitoring our monthly sales. So, that would be my agenda for today guys. So, ilang days na lang din kasi is magmamahal na araw na. So, obviously, sobrang busy tayo today guys when it comes to paperwork. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and nag-work lang din muna ako.
Ang ating isang dolan na lang ko. Pwede magpakatiruan nila ba tawagan ako? Tapos sa DUP, dili nila kadatiruan kay pakuha ko ito.
So, anyway guys, after work na pala is nag-decide kami ng partner ko na magpahangin sa Coastal Road. So, after work guys, dediretso na kami sa proper para bumili ng merienda. So, actually we decided na bumili na lang ng Janzi, fruit tea, and then tusok-tusok. So, ito talaga usually yung binibili namin every time na nagpapahangin kami sa Coastal Road. Kasi nga, isa talaga to sa mga favorite food namin. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, nakabili na kami ng food naman and andito na din kami sa Coastal Road. So, sobrang sarap talagang magtambay dito guys kasi nga sobrang refreshing ng hangin and then sobrang daming tao talaga na nagtatambay dito kasi nga sobrang ganda ng view. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and magpapahangin lang din muna kami.